So yeah, I might not be able to record as much as possible, but I will try to make sure I get a little bit of video when we're all together. I might not be able to do that on the racetrack, obviously, whilst trying to, you know, have a parade lap, because we're going to have one on the track itself tonight. So yeah, I'm going to try to get as much as possible in, so that we have something to watch after the day. So yeah, it's going to be something very, very nice tonight. So fingers crossed it goes well. It doesn't rain that much, hopefully, so that we can get some traction on, and you know, but it will be fun though. It will definitely be fun, because I've driven the car in the wet, in manual, and just let it do its thing, and it was a little bit of a struggle. Like, I want to go there. No, you're not going there, you're going that way, you know. But it's fun, it's fun. So I'm really looking forward to today. So yes, so I'm just gonna start the movement now, and yeah, just drive gently at first, because it's not really all warmed up yet. Yep, let's stiff a little bit. Clear out a little bit now, so just make sure we got everything sorted and ready, so, and ready to go. Tried to wash the car yesterday. I didn't want it in the first place, because I thought it might like rain again, but it didn't. Obviously after washing the car, so it's kind of clean a little bit, because I'm the kind of person that doesn't really literally, you know, wash this car and take it to the car wash, you know, and get it all done in one go. So yeah, but it was quite fun yesterday, because it was easier to clean. It's a wet car, so as soon as I put the cleaning cloth on it, you could definitely see it was cleaning a part, and the other part were brownish in color. So you could definitely see, okay, that side is clean now, and that side is not clean. So yeah, it was actually fun, because I did that yesterday about 10:30, and it came out quite really good. So I like that, and that is the essence of having a white car. You can I'm gonna go around all the cars. Oh, that's a Maserati just turned up. Look. Oh, that one, yeah. Oh, the one just coming in now.
That's the guy who was talking yesterday. That's Aiden, isn't it?
Oh, Aiden.
Oh, this is
That's GT4, yeah. Lotus. That's GTR. I'm not the only one with a GTR today, so that's really cool. Fretford Forest Retail Park, we are already causing chaos. Another GTR. That one is no louder than mine, is it?
That's the same, isn't it?
No, mine is probably newer.
Yeah, but that sounds the same.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And this is for Henry Hellcat. And of course, McLaren. And there's my baby, Takzila. Alright, mate. Okay, guys, and it's already started. We're now leaving Thetford Retail Park, and you can see the beautiful cars already. So just waiting to get in the queue, and we are all heading off to Snetterton racetrack. There are a few beautiful cars here today, and I'm absolutely loving these. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Porsches, RS5, McLarens, Lamborghini, Ferrari. Lovely. This is where you need to be on a Sunday. Excuse me. There is the Lamborghini.
Shop safely in store and online with Donnell.
Hello, I'm Frank Skinner, and I'm back for series 2 of my poetry podcast. Don't look at me like that. It went well, you know, so yeah, they asked me for more shut up about it. You can search for Frank Skinner's Poetry Podcast wherever you usually get your podcasts, and you can catch up on the whole of series 1 right now. It's just sitting there waiting for you like milk in a crate. And make sure you hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. Come on, you know you want to.
Lorraine here runs her own hot yoga business. She'd rather be working on her warrior post than on her finances. That's why she got QuickBooks. Now
we're now heading for the racetrack. That will